slammed Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, over traitor remark. Nitin Nabin has targeted Rahul Gandhi and he has said Rahul's speech was very unfortunate. He's called Rahul Gandhi Rahu of Indian politics, and a political war of words has now erupted over Rahul's traitor remark. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी जी का आज का बयान बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और कहीं न कहीं उनकी अराजकतावादी मानसिकता को दिखाता है। मैं मानता हूं कि भारतीय राजनीति में जहां सूचिता, सामाजिकता और कहीं न कहीं एक दूसरे को सम्मान देने की प्रक्रिया है, उसमें उनका यह बयान बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। मैं मानता हूं कि लगातार हो रही हार, निराशा कहीं न कहीं उनके स्वभाव और उनके चरित्र में दिख रहा है और यही हताशा और निराशा आज उनके इस सब तरह के शब्दों के बयान आ रहे हैं। क्या नक्सलवाद खत्म करना गद्दारी है? क्या इस देश की जमीन को सुरक्षित रखना गद्दारी है? क्या इस देश के तिरंगे का सम्मान पूरे विश्व में बनाना गद्दारी है? और मैं मानता हूं कि भारतीय राजनीति का अपराहू है जो कहीं न कहीं पूरे तरह से देश की राजनीति की वातावरण को गंदा और दूषित करते हैं।
Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, Rahul Gandhi launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister as well as Home Minister during a rally in Rai Bareli. And in fact, he accused the BJP and RSS of betraying the country. He used the word traitor or gaddar, targeting the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. Now, you just heard from the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP president, in fact, has also hit back at Rahul Gandhi. Can you help us understand the strategy behind what we are seeing right now happening in Rai Bareli, the way Rahul Gandhi is targeting Home Minister as well as the Prime Minister?
Well, yes, indeed, the war of words has already begun between the BJP and the Congress party, as we have seen that how a scathing attack has been made by Rahul Gandhi, in which he has basically called the Prime Minister as a traitor of this country. In fact, has also, asked the people of this country to use this particular word when the BJP leaders will come and seek votes from them in the upcoming elections. But the kind of language which is being used by Rahul Gandhi, the BJP has started attacking him for that reason. In fact, they have also stated that this is a very derogatory remark which he has made against the Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister. And in fact, we have also listened to the statement which has been given by the BJP President, Mr. Nitin Nabin, in which he has called Rahul Gandhi as the Rahu of politics. So clearly, we have seen that how the Congress party has also defended this particular remark of Rahul Gandhi. We have spoken to the media department chief of the Congress, Mr. Pawan Khera, who has stated that this is basically the feelings, the anguish of the people of this country, which is now being expressed by the opposition parties, as this is the responsibility of the opposition to raise the issues, to raise the concerns which are related to the common man of this country, and if they will fail to do that, then they will be called as the traitors. So this is the kind of justification which is being given by the Congress regarding this entire issue, the entire controversy which has erupted after Rahul Gandhi has used this particular word of traitor for the Prime Minister.
Right. Niyamika, request you to please stay on with us. More breaking inputs coming in. The leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has repeated the traitor jibe. In fact, he has once again targeted the Prime Minister, calling him a traitor. And we'll be going across to my colleague Mohit, who is joining us on the broadcast right now for more on this. Mohit, Rahul Gandhi doubling down on the traitor remark.
Well, yes, in fact, and you see, this particular statement has been made by Rahul Gandhi, and we know for a fact that how Rahul Gandhi has been attacking the RSS, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah in his past public gatherings too. But again, he has used the word traitor for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that if the RSS people come to your house, just tell them that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is traitor, and he is not taking a step back, Hina. He's again reiterated what he has said earlier. Now, this has garnered sharp reactions from the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, the president of the BJP, Nitin Nabin, has come out and he has attacked Rahul Gandhi, basically saying that this is very unfortunate and it shows that how Rahul Gandhi is frustrated after all these defeats. And he said that this is not just the insult to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but also to 140 crore Indians of the country. Now, we know for a fact that how BJP has been saying this, that whenever the Prime Minister is being abused or derogatory terms are being used against Prime Minister, then it's the people of the country who always respond to Rahul Gandhi Gandhi and make BJP victorious. And perhaps that is why BJP says that Rahul Gandhi is frustrated. So a strong attack coming in from the BJP president. But as we know Rahul Gandhi, how he operates, he will not take back all these words. And in fact, as you rightly pointed out, that he has reiterated it, he is doubling out his attack. So we have to wait and watch how this will pan out. But yes, the BJP is coming out with sharp reaction, saying that it's the habit of the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi to insult the mandate of people and to insult Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whether it's in form of abuses or in form of derogatory statements. Back in studio.
Thank you very much for the moment, Mohit. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this. And viewers, Times Now's Adeeb tried questioning Rahul Gandhi on controversy over his traitor remark. Rahul Gandhi evaded our questions and did not respond. Take a look at the sequence.
Rahul, BJP is seeking apology on traitor's remark. The traitor remark which you have not given a bite. Let me do my work. Rahul, BJP is seeking apology on traitor's remark. The traitor remark which you have not given a bite. Let me do my work. Rahul, BJP is seeking apology on traitor's remark. The traitor remark which you have not given a bite.
Let's go across to my colleague Adeeb, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Adeeb, you did try to ask a direct question, but no response there coming in from Rahul Gandhi.
Well, certainly, Hena, see, direct questions were asked from Rahul Gandhi that will he apologize for the remark that he has made. In fact, this was not an attack on a BJP leader, but it was an attack on the Prime Minister of this country. And now the BJP is seeking apology from Rahul Gandhi that he should apologize. And the direct questions were asked to Rahul Gandhi whether he will apologize or not, to which he simply evaded the question. And his team tried to stop us from reporting at that particular time. But Rahul Gandhi is evading questions. He is not apologizing. He is in fact making again he's reiterating the remarks which he has made against the Prime Minister Modi and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah.
Right. So clearly this has become a big controversy. And thank you very much, Adeeb, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on the story. Let's now, viewers, tell you what exactly Rahul Gandhi had said earlier when he used the word traitor to target Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister. He launched a fierce attack on the Prime Minister and Home Minister during a rally in Raebareli. In a fiery speech, Rahul Gandhi accused the BJP and the RSS of betraying the country, using the word Gaddar or traitor while targeting the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. These remarks have sparked a major political row, with the BJP hitting back strongly, specifically over the remarks by Rahul Gandhi. Listen in to what exactly the leader of opposition had to say.
जब ये आरएसएस से कार्यकर्ता आपके सामने आएंगे, नरेंद्र मोदी की बात करेंगे, अमित शाह की बात करेंगे, उनसे आप सामने उनको कहो कि आपका प्रधानमंत्री गद्दार है, आपका होम मिनिस्टर गद्दार है, आपका संगठन गद्दार है, आपने हिंदुस्तान को बेचने का काम किया है, आपने हमारे संगठन, आपने हमारे संविधान पर आक्रमण किया है, आपने अंबेडकर जी पर आक्रमण किया है, आपने वीरापासी जी पर आक्रमण किया है, आपने गांधी जी पर आक्रमण किया है। खुल के उनसे कहिए।
संविधान हिंदुस्तान की आवाज है, तो जो संविधान पर आक्रमण करता है, जो संविधान को नष्ट करता है, उसको आप क्या कहोगे? उसको क्या कहोगे? गद्दार कहोगे। इसीलिए मैंने खुल के कहा है कि नरेंद्र मोदी, अमित शाह संविधान पर आक्रमण कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने देश का धन अदानी अंबानी को बांटा, उन्होंने देश की संस्थाओं को खत्म किया, उन्होंने वोट चोरी करवाई, इलेक्शन कमीशन को दबाया, जुडिशरी पर दबाव डाला। आरएसएस के लोग सुन लो, आपने कहा कि मुझे माफी मांगनी चाहिए, मैं कभी माफी नहीं मांगूंगा, फिर बोलूंगा।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.